Welcome to SP Smart's NEET Direct program. Today we shall discuss the assignment solution given to the students from the chapter of bulk matter, part first. Okay, let's start from question first. Here you have to find the work done if the wire is loaded by weight mg and increase the length L. Okay, see, this is the formula, standard formula. This is how we write Hooke's law. Now instead of F, we have to put mg. So it is mg by A is equal to y delta L by L. Now, how much work is done in stretching it and causing the length increase by L? Here, instead of delta L, you better write L. Since work done is half load into extension, we start making substitutions. The load is the weight mg, elongation or extension small l, so you have half mgl. This is the work done. This should be the answer. Now let's check out which option is half mgl. Half mgl means mgl by 2. So option C is the correct option for this question. Now let's move on to question second. A steel wire can support a maximum load W before reaching the elastic limit. How much load another wire made out identical steel but with a radius 1/2 of the radius of the first wire support before reaching the elastic limit? In short, delta L should be same. This is the condition for solving this problem. Right? So let me write this way. This is the standard way of writing Hooke's law. So delta L therefore is F by A divided by Y into L. This is what I've done. I've determined the value of delta L is FL by AY. It is said that it is constant, same. So I should write here FL by AY of first wire should be equal to FL by AY for the second wire. As you know, material is same, so Y has to be same. You strike it off, right? A rest of the things we can manage. Over here, it's written that the two wires are identical in every respect. That is, it means original length is also same. Only thing we are supposed to do now, initially the force is weight W, area of cross section is pi r1 square. Here force is W prime and the area is pi r2 square. You cancel out this and this. Alternando, that is W prime by W is r2 by r1 whole square. Now the radius has to be half of the original. If original was 2r, now it is r. Simplify, it becomes 1 by 4. Cross multiply. So W by 4 is the load that this wire can now support. So let's check out W by 4 means option C. So option C is the correct option for this problem. Okay, now let's move on to question third. A metal bar of length L and area of cross section A is clamped between two rigid supports. For the material of the rod, the Young's modulus Y and the coefficient of linear expansion is alpha. Well, coefficient of linear expansion means if you heat the wire, L equal to L naught 1 plus alpha delta T is the standard formula for linear expansion. Remember this. Now it means L by L naught is 1 plus alpha delta T. So I further simplify it. See what I get. L minus L naught by L naught is alpha T, alpha delta T rather. It is delta L by L as we write in a standard notation. So what is this? This is called thermal strain. This is thermal strain. Alright. And this is equal to alpha delta T. Alright. Now be very careful, because here thermal stress we have to determine first of all, right? and the stress means F by A. This is thermal stress. And the question was, how much force is exerted by the rod on the support? In short, I have to write stress is Y time strain. Of course, I mean to say it's a thermal stress, this is thermal strain. Start making substitutions. Here, I write F equal to A Y delta L by L, and delta L by L is alpha delta T. I substitute alpha delta T from here. So it becomes A Y alpha delta T. So this is the force exerted by the rod on the support. Now let's check out which option is it, A Y alpha delta T. A Y alpha delta T. This happens to be option B. So option B is the correct option for this problem, right? So in this way, we have solved all the problems of the physics assignment which were earlier given to the students from the chapter of bulk matter under the program NEET Direct. Answer to question first was option C. Answer to question second was option C. Answer to third question was option B. That's all for today, and God bless you all.